Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is Larux, and my goal is to make all the how-to videos. Today, on this beautiful day, we are going to be starting a second-hand novel bookshop. Before we continue, hit the like button, share the video if you enjoy. A second-hand novel business is one of the best businesses anyone can start. This business does not require any kind of skill and is extremely lucrative. This business involves selling second-hand novels, motivational books, and other types of books. The pricing of the books by the sellers start from 100 shillings to 1000 shillings. Novels, being the most popular item, start from 150 shillings to 300,000 shillings. Let's face it, guys. Let's agree on this. Hawking is the most profitable business for self-employed individuals in Kenya. If you're the kind of people who say that I can't do this type of work, siwezi fanya hii kazi because niko na degree, because nilisomea Mangu, because nilisomea Alliance, this is not the video for you. You can look at other videos like starting a chips and chicken business. This is not the video for you. This is the video for people who are courageous enough to change their lives and are willing to do whatever it takes. So kama una maringo, this is not the video for you. And out of the jobs uko office. What will you need to start your novel second-hand business? First of all, we will need the newspapers and book vending license. This can be found in the Nairobi City County. It is around 3,000 shillings per year. The newspaper and book vending license will not be enough. Another thing you will have to do is pay occasional bribes to the city council officers. The other thing we will need to start this business is our location. Most novel sellers are located in the Nairobi CBD. The best place to look for your location is Nairobi CBD. You need also to choose the type of business you are going to be doing. There are two types of sellers. We have the Mombasa seller and the Gikomba seller. The Mombasa seller imports books by himself through the Mombasa port. To be a Mombasa seller, you have to buy bales from outside the country and then import them to the country. So a bale from outside the country is around 220,000 shillings and above. You can get this through websites like wholesaleUsedBooks.co.uk, usedwholesaleBooks.uk. Immediately you order the books, they will come to the port in Mombasa and then you go pick them and you'll pay an import declaration fee of around 20,000 shillings. If you want to be a Mombasa wholesaler, this is the way you should follow. After buying books, you can sell them to Gikomba. On the other hand, the other type of seller is the Gikomba seller. This is the one who goes to Gikomba, buys the books in bales, depending on the type of business you choose to pursue. After you have chosen the type of business you're going to pursue, you'll also need a supplier. For the Mombasa seller, the suppliers will be wholesaleUsedBooks.co.uk and usedwholesaleBooks.uk. For the Gikomba seller, you can buy from Abreban Traders in Kilome Road or from Gikomba. Another place where you can be getting these books at a very low price, affordable, as low as 3,000 per bill, is half-priced books. Half-priced books is located at Moi Avenue, and also there is this place called Bella Place Books. So Bella Place Books also sells second-hand books as low as 3,000 shillings per bill. You don't need that much to start this business. In this business, if you don't have a place and don't want to rent out a place, you can start on social media, advertise the books on Instagram or any social media and sell these books through social media. Social media is also very important. Make sure you have a social media presence. This is where most people are getting customers these days. Most booksellers, especially people who are just starting out and do not know how to find a shop in the CBD area especially, you can start this business online by selling these books slowly by slowly. Let's now talk about the revenue. During the pre-pandemic era, a second-hand novel seller could get around 3,000 shillings per day on average. On the other hand, during the post-pandemic era, the average second-hand novel book seller gets around 1,000 shillings to 2,000 shillings. Remember, for you to succeed in this business, you have to acquire clients and keep them. Make sure your customer service is spot on. If starting this business on the estates, the type of books that sell the most in the estates are children's books. These are textbooks, children's stories. These sell faster in estates as compared to the CBD. Motivational books also sell well, but mostly in the CBD area. Novels also sell best in the CBD area. With that in mind, I'm done with this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos like this.